a look at the 2018 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.